CathWest Innovation College's mantra is school done differently. It was this progressive approach that set the tone for the design. The college was originally Loyola High School and it was rebranded in 2019. Loyola High School, whilst it had really good bones, it was very monotone and inward looking. The traditional campus didn't suit the new pedagogy. They wanted to create a school that provided not only traditional HSC subjects, but they wanted to create pathways for students to drive their own education. Our goal as the architects for the project was to create environments that allowed for this progressive way of teaching and learning. So in the process that we went through with the Catholic Education Office and the college was that we had weekly site meetings to develop up this brief. It's a new type of education facility, so we really had to intensely work with all of the stakeholders. The spaces that we created went from very traditional learning areas to be areas that just all students, teachers, external clients could come in and collaborate together. So they were very specific in not having designated areas for separate uses. It was a 16-week program. We basically had 4 weeks to do intense workshops with the client to develop up their brief, and then it had a 12-week construction period. This also impacted then on material selections. They wanted to select materials that were sustainable, which was a challenge for us because we had to select materials that met this criteria whilst also being available to meet the program. The buildings, when we refurbished them, we needed to make sure that they could allow for a cohort of 60, but then also be broken down into groups of 4, groups of 8, individual learning. One of the big design challenges is how you acoustically treat these areas to maximise the acoustic performance. We achieve this by the ceiling treatments, the wall treatments, which is reflected in the spaces now can be used for open class groups or individual learning. CathWest Innovation College has only been operating this year, and within this time students and staff have been recognised with certain awards in their fields. This suggests that the innovative approach to pedagogy is having a positive impact on the students' learning journey.